day everyone, and ma'am, our philosopher for today is Immanuel Kant. Introduction to Immanuel Kant is Immanuel Kant was a prominent German philosopher who lived during the Enlightenment era. He made significant contributions to various fields, including metaphysics, epistemology, and ethics, which had a profound impact on Western philosophy.
Early life and education. First, childhood. Kant was born in 1724 in Königsberg, Prussia, now Kaliningrad, Russia. He came from a family of Lutherans and had a strict upbringing. Second is education. Kant attended the University of Königsberg, where he studied a wide range of subjects, including mathematics, physics, and philosophy. Third is academic career. After completing his studies, Kant remained in Königsberg, teaching at the university for over 40 years and establishing himself as a renowned philosopher.
Critic judgment. Kant's exploration of aesthetics and the nature of judgment, particularly in the realm of art and beauty. Kant's major philosophical works. Critique of Pure Reason. Kant's most influential work, which explores the nature and limits of human knowledge. Groundwork of the metaphysics of morals. Kant's foundational work on a moral philosophy, outlining his theory of the categorical imperative.
And with that, a priori and a posteriori knowledge. Kant's distinction between knowledge that is independent and experience, a priori, and knowledge that is derived from experience, a posteriori. That's the two difference. Nominal and phenomenal realms. Kant's idea of the nominal realms, which is the world of things, is himself, and the phenomenal realm, which is the world as it appears to us. From the nominal realm, which is the world of things, and the phenomenal world, which is the world that appears to us. And transcendental idealism. Kant's philosophical position that is the world we experience is not the world as it truly is, but rather a construction of our own mind and understanding.
Kant's ethics and moral philosophy. Moral agency. Kant's view that moral agency is a fundamental characteristic of rational beings who are capable of making autonomous choices. Categorical imperative. Kant's central principle of ethics, which states that we should act only according to maxims that could become universal laws. Duty and morality. Kant's emphasis on the importance of duty and moral obligation as the basis for ethical behavior. Groundwork of the metaphysics of morals. Kant's seminal work on ethics, which lays out his foundational principles of moral philosophy.
Kant's influence on Western thought. First, epistemology. Kant's critical philosophy and his ideas about the nature of knowledge had a lasting impact on the field of epistemology. Second, ethics. Kant's ethical theory, particularly his concept of the categorical imperative, has been highly influenced in the development of modern moral philosophy. Third is ethics. Kant's exploration of the nature of beauty and judgment in his Ethic of Judgments has been foundational for field of aesthetics. Fourth is metaphysics. Kant has ideas about the nominal and phenomenal realms, as well as his transcendental idealism have had a significant impact of metaphysics growth.
In conclusion, Immanuel Kant's philosophical legacy is vast and enduring. His critical philosophy and his contributions to fields such as metaphysics, epistemology, and ethics and aesthetics have had a profound and lasting impact on Western thought. Kant's ideas continue to be studied, debated, and applied in a wide range of academic and intellectual disciplines.